Imagine if you could incorporate a single food into your routine that could transform your health in an impressive way. A rich, complete food with properties that can help with weight control, heart health, and even the fight against premature aging. What would you do? Would you be curious to find out what it is? Well, that's exactly what you're going to learn in this video. But first, think. How many times have you opted for a quick meal full of preservatives and harmful ingredients for the sake of convenience? Perhaps that snack or frozen dish that promised to be the perfect solution to a busy day, but which is actually compromising your health little by little. Over time, these eating habits can lead to serious problems such as obesity, high cholesterol, and cardiovascular disease. Today, many people live such a busy routine that they end up neglecting something essential: the quality of the food they eat. This is understandable. After all, the market is full of apparently easy options that hide real calorie and nutritional bombs. And that's exactly why you need to watch this video to the end. The food I'm going to reveal here is extremely versatile, can be included in many recipes, and has scientifically proven benefits. It goes beyond the ordinary. We're talking about something that rises above the momentary trends in nutrition and fad diets. Do you want to live with more energy? Improve your skin, your hair, and your daily mood? Do you want to protect your heart and ensure stronger health in the long term? The secret may lie in just one ingredient. An ingredient that, as well as being healthy, is delicious, and which may already be in your kitchen, waiting to be exploited in the right way. But before we reveal what this superfood is, let's dive into something we can all recognize: the challenges of maintaining a healthy diet in such a fast-paced world. Follow along, because the answer to a healthier life may be much simpler than you think. It's time to connect everything we've talked about so far to a single food. A food that is not only nutritious, but also incredibly functional, capable of benefiting practically every area of your body. And the best part, it's natural, affordable, and extremely easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Did you know that there is an ingredient that can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing levels of good cholesterol, HDL? That it can act on heart health, preventing problems such as hypertension and atherosclerosis? It is also a rich source of antioxidants, substances that fight free radicals and slow down cellular aging. This food is also an incredible option for those looking to maintain their weight or even lose weight. It promotes satiety in a natural way, avoiding those moments of compulsive hunger that often lead to poor food choices. And it doesn't stop there. Its composition includes essential vitamins, such as vitamin E, known for its benefits for the skin, and minerals that strengthen the immune system, such as potassium. And perhaps the most surprising thing is how it can impact brain health. Studies show that regular consumption of this food is associated with improvements in memory and cognitive function, making it an ally in the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases. We're talking about an ingredient so versatile that it can be used in sweet or savory recipes in a simple and practical way. And the best part, it requires no elaborate preparation. All you need is a little creativity and information to make the most of its benefits. But what is this incredible food anyway? Stick with me, because over the next few minutes we're going to explore not only what it is, but how it can be the key to transforming your health for good. The food we're talking about today is the avocado, a true gift from nature that has been consumed and valued for its benefits for centuries. Its origins are believed to date back to the tropical regions of Central America, and it was widely cultivated by indigenous peoples who already recognized its nutritional and medicinal value. Over time, avocados conquered the world, and today they are widely consumed in different forms and cultures, from creams and smoothies to sophisticated haute cuisine dishes. Avocado vitamins and nutrients. Avocado is a food rich in essential nutrients for the human body. Check out the main ones. Vitamins A, C, E, and K, powerful antioxidants that help with skin health, vision, and cell protection against damage caused by free radicals. B-complex vitamins, essential for energy metabolism. They help convert food into energy and keep the nervous system healthy. Minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, important for electrolyte balance, strengthening bones and muscle function. Monounsaturated fatty acids, healthy fats that help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, promoting cardiovascular health. Dietary fiber, contributes to digestive health, prolongs satiety, and helps control blood sugar. Main benefits of avocados. Promotes heart health. Monounsaturated fatty acids, such as oleic acid, are known to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. In addition, the potassium present in avocados regulates blood pressure, preventing hypertension. Supports body weight control. Despite being caloric, avocados promote satiety due to their high fiber and healthy fat content. This helps prevent overeating and keeps appetite under control for longer. Fights premature aging. Thanks to vitamin E and antioxidants, avocados protect the skin against oxidative damage, keeping it younger, hydrated, and healthy-looking. Strengthens the immune system. The vitamin C in avocados boosts the body's natural defenses, helping to prevent illness and speed up recovery from colds and flu. Improves bone and joint health. Rich in vitamin K and magnesium. Avocados promote bone mineralization and reduce inflammation in the joints, helping to prevent osteoporosis and arthritis. Aids digestion and intestinal health. Dietary fiber helps maintain regular intestinal transit and feeds beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting balance in the intestinal microbiota. Contributes to brain function. Fatty acids and vitamin B6 play an important role in supporting cognitive function and the production of neurotransmitters, helping with memory and concentration. Helps regulate hormones. The nutrients in avocados, such as healthy fats and vitamin E, play a key role in hormonal balance, especially in women. With so many advantages, avocado stands out as a superfood that can transform the quality of your life. It is the perfect choice for those seeking health, energy, and longevity in a natural and delicious way. Now, before we continue with this incredible content, I want to take this opportunity to extend a special invitation to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any news about the best foods and tips for improving your health. Also, let us know what you think in the comments. Do you already eat avocado on a daily basis? Do you have any favorite recipes you'd like to share? And it doesn't stop there. This channel is full of content as valuable as this. We have a special playlist dedicated to superfoods that can transform your life. When you finish this video, take the opportunity to explore these tips and discover other magical foods that can dramatically improve your health. Don't miss the opportunity to take even better care of yourself and your family. Let's go on this journey to a healthier life together. The avocado, as well as being a food rich in benefits, is extremely versatile and easy to include in your diet. In this topic, we'll explore how to apply it in practice, offering options for different lifestyles and explaining the results you can expect from making it a regular habit. How to include avocado in your diet. Reinforced breakfast. Replace margarine or butter with slices of avocado on wholemeal toast. For an extra kick, add lemon and a pinch of salt. This combination offers sustainable energy for the day, thanks to the healthy fats and fiber in the avocado. Smoothies and vitamins. Add half an avocado to your smoothies. It goes well with fruits such as bananas, strawberries, and mangoes. As well as making the drink creamy, avocado enriches it with essential nutrients such as potassium and vitamin E. More nutritious salads. Dice the avocado and add it to green salads. Not only does it improve the taste, but it also helps to absorb fat-soluble nutrients such as vitamins A and K, which are present in vegetables. Quick snacks. Prepare a simple guacamole with avocado, lemon, tomato, and onion. Eat it with vegetable sticks or wholemeal toast. It's a healthy option, rich in antioxidants and perfect for replacing processed snacks. Main meals. Use avocado as an accompaniment to main dishes. It goes perfectly with lean proteins such as chicken and fish, boosting the nutritional content of the meal. Long-term results. Consistently incorporating avocado into your diet can bring significant changes to your body and overall health. Improved body composition. Frequent avocado consumption, combined with a balanced diet, can help you lose weight or control it due to the increased satiety provided by fiber and healthy fats. Younger, healthier skin. The intake of antioxidants and vitamin E reduces cell oxidation, slowing down premature aging and keeping the skin more hydrated and firm. More energy and disposition. The presence of monounsaturated fats, combined with potassium, helps keep the body energized and reduces the feeling of tiredness throughout the day. Prevention of chronic diseases. Avocados can reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, increase good cholesterol, HDL, and keep blood pressure stable, protecting the cardiovascular system. Brain health on the rise. In the long term, the fatty acids in avocado contribute to preserving cognitive function and can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Strengthening bones and joints. With its magnesium, vitamin K, and anti-inflammatory properties, regular avocado consumption can help maintain bone health and relieve joint pain. By incorporating avocado into your eating routine, the benefits are not just immediate, but accumulate over time, promoting a healthier, more balanced, and vital life. The key is consistency and variety of consumption. Experiment, innovate, and observe the transformations in your body and well-being. Ready to reap the benefits of this superfood? It's time to put it at the center of your diet and invest in your health in a delicious and practical way. Thank you so much for watching. I sincerely hope that this video has inspired you to include avocado in your diet and prioritize your health in a practical and delicious way. If you know someone who needs to know this information, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video on your social networks and send it to your friends, family, or colleagues. Who knows? Maybe you'll help someone take the first step towards a healthier life. Oh, and before you leave, I want to invite you to explore my channel. I have complete playlists and several other videos on powerful foods and incredible tips for transforming your health. Each video has been lovingly made with the aim of helping you achieve maximum well-being. So, take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss any new content, and leave your like if this video was useful to you. Let's build a healthier, more energetic lifestyle together. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. See you there!